So here, no problem. If you're still a little unsure about everything you've just seen, I completely understand. After all, I fully believe no doctor who wants to continue receiving a paycheck will ever tell you the truth about the real cause of diabetes, that medications do more harm than good, and that there are now clinically proven natural ingredients shown to improve and reverse diabetes once and for all. So, if you have any questions, here are some of the most common ones I get asked, which I hope will give you all the information you need to make an informed decision. How does this protocol work? To quickly explain, every single recipe found in this protocol consists of the diabetes reversing 8. That is, the perfect amounts and combinations of the 8 nutrients and vitamins shown to eliminate damaging PM 2.5 toxins from your body and reduce insulin resistance. These recipes were inspired by a little tiny Greek island called Halki and their diet that protected them from diabetes and insulin resistance. And using this research, Amanda Feerson, an independent medical researcher, was able to develop a formula 4.4 times more powerful than the original recipe given to me by Alexander Dukas, one of the Halki inhabitants. So if you want a proven way to reverse your diabetes, these recipes are all you'll ever need. Eric, if this protocol is so good, why hasn't my doctor told me about it? Well, as I explained a little earlier, it's not in the diabetes industry's interest to publicize any of this research. After all, if people knew how to reverse insulin resistance through inexpensive and natural means, they wouldn't need any new medications, which would pretty much cripple the diabetes industry overnight. Remember, their business model relies on your diabetes and health getting worse year after year, and you getting fatter and fatter. And thanks to continued PM 2.5 toxins attacking your cells and your use of medications, that's exactly what's been happening. The good news is, this protocol does the exact opposite. It helps reverse insulin resistance by giving your cells the essential 8 nutrients and vitamins they need to repair this damage. Will this work for me? Well, yes, absolutely. Of course, each individual case is different, but as you've seen, throughout this presentation, this protocol is scientifically proven to reverse diabetes in even the worst cases. Plus, it's already worked for more than 33,000 people. But if by any chance it doesn't work for you, which is incredibly unlikely due to the huge amounts of clinical data and case studies that says it will, you're protected by my 60-day money-back guarantee. So you have absolutely nothing to lose, and you can even keep the program just to say thank you for giving it a try. That's how confident I am in the quality and effectiveness of the protocol. How long will it take to see results? During our study of 96 volunteers, 97% of the participants reversed their diabetes within weeks. And as you know, my own wife Kathy achieved the same exact feat. And as I said, everybody is different. Some people may take longer to respond to the protocol than others, but if you stick with it, I guarantee that you'll see dramatic improvements in your health. Will my details be secure? Yes. I can assure you that they will be. Our ordering system benefits from state-of-the-art encryption technology, so when you place your order with us, your information is 100% safe, so there's absolutely no need to worry. How long will the protocol be available for? In answer to that question, I honestly don't know. Of course, I want to keep the website running for as long as I can. The diabetes industry is a $327 billion market, and believe me, they're angry as hell that this